Look at this little guy. This is a 72 Arctic Cat ramrod. Never seen a ramrod. Seen the climber, and what's the other one? The scrambler, I think it's called. I've seen a lot of climbers in this area. We had a old Arctic Cat dealer at the time. This one, I did get it to fire. You can see this screw. The cap is stripped out. Anybody know where I find one of these carburetors? Be great. Kawasaki engine. Got a new seat cover coming for it. I gotta get rid of this nasty mud flap. I don't know what's going on there. See if the tires hold air. They're both flat. Well, sort of flat. They got air in them. Or no, they're just hard. Let's see what's going on there. But yeah, I'll see if I can get it to run today. Little bike. The handlebars are loose. Everything's loose on it. Cool color, I like it. Yeah, we'll see if I can get her running.